I have had so much fun filming these whole cloth quilts on the Husqvarna Viking, the PFAFF, and the BERNINA machines. Now what I'm going to actually show you underneath these quilts is a panel. I actually embroidered these designs in a totally different way. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we do free video tutorials on sewing machines, embroidery machines, and sergers. But my latest project came because so many students of mine have asked, how do they actually use the positioning tools that are built into the machine? So if you have a Husqvarna Viking, we're talking about your design positioning function. If you have a PFAFF, we're talking about your precise positioning function. And if you have a BERNINA, we're talking about your BERNINA pinpoint placement. So we've made a course for each of these machines as you watch me rehoop multiple times and teach you all the skills that you need to know. These days, I don't even try to get my fabric in straight. I just go ahead, hoop it, go right to my positioning function, and get it to be where I want it to be. This course and the skills you'll learn will change the way you embroider forever. So I'm going to show you first some of the quilts that we have done. This one being the latest one, my PFAFF Precise Positioning course, probably my most perfect one, but I've also done 7 of these quilts in various forms. And with that, the skill level of my own has actually skyrocketed. So I truly hope by the end I know what I'm doing, and it totally shows on this one. I also had some fun doing some fabric that I ordered from spoonflower.com. So this is actually a printed fabric I chose myself, and it chose some different threads on it. This is the one that we did for the Husqvarna Viking, my signature color in the lime green. Had fun learning some thread choices that had to be changed before I actually started, and things that we learn as we go. We also have this course designed so you can start with a smaller project and just do 6 blocks instead of 20, where you can start by kind of walking before you're running. Experiment with your machine, learn the techniques, try out different threads, maybe try something different in the bobbin, and learn how to adjust your bobbin for the quilt to look the same on the front as it does on the back. I actually had a lot of fun. I always love doing red and white quilts, and with this one we definitely see the pop in the final result. We also did, my practice piece was actually doing a whole different layout, also in red and white, as I was learning some new skills myself. Now, down to where it all came together. Now, with these designs, which are included in the course, you will be able to change them around and use them in different layouts, which is what I did with this cool panel. I've had this panel in my sewing studio for a while, and then all of a sudden it dawned on me this would be a beautiful place to experiment with a different size of these designs and see what I could come up with for a totally different layout. And I absolutely love the way it finished. I even love what I used for the back. The designs really show on the back of the quilt as well. So if you're ready to take your embroidery skills up a level and become a true embroidery pro, these master classes on the BERNINA, the PFAFF, and the Husqvarna Viking are designed to help you go through, master each step of the way. Plus, you can always go back in our course and re-watch the lessons as many times as it takes. I'm also available for questions. We've even opened the comments in the course so you can ask questions and see other answers of other students' questions along the way. There are even 9 videos that you can watch for free to see if this course is right for you. So we're going to put those links in the description below so you can check out your specific Husqvarna Viking, PFAFF, or BERNINA Design Positioning Masterclass. I hope to see you in class soon.